Hi, I'm David Fraser. I'm from Inverness. This is my daughter Hayley, who's 5. She was born with brachydactyly on her left hand. Hayley was born with little stumps on her left hand instead of full-grown fingers. Earlier on this year, I got in touch with a chap called Frankie Flood from the University of Wisconsin in the United States of America, and he kindly made a 3D printed hand for Hayley, free of charge. As Hayley was born with her small hand, it's never ever stopped her doing day-to-day tasks. However, with her new prosthetic hand, she can pick up heavier objects such as fruit or teddies, and it also can give her counterbalance when she's riding her scooter. Before Hayley got her hand, her options to her were to have a toe removed from one of her feet and put on as a finger on her left hand so she can have a pinching action. However, it wasn't an option to us to put her through that as she was so young at the time. So now we've looked into helping other children in the United Kingdom, and we're also working with Hayley's plastic surgeon to get these hands built over here for children in the UK.